Hello, my name is Leena Lal, and you are watching The Big Question on Famous TV. Tonight, we are addressing why the re releases are turning into a trend. Bollywood is pressing rewind with these re releases, and guess what? Audiences are showing up in droves. Re releases are taking over the big screen, turning nostalgia into a serious box office numbers. Why are these older films creating new waves? Let's break it down. Let me take you back. There was a time when film's shelf life was just a few weeks. You saw it in the theaters, maybe caught it on televisions a few years later, and then it faded into a memory. But today, movies live forever. OTT platforms, YouTube, fan pages, films are available at the click of a button. So why are people heading back to the theaters to watch films they've already seen? Is it just nostalgia? Or is there more to the story? Here's the thing. Nostalgia is a powerful emotion. It's like a warm cup of chai on a rainy day. Comforting, familiar, and exactly what you need. In these uncertain times, audiences want to relive the magic of simpler days, when movies were larger than life. And filmmakers are cashing in. As Karan Johar recently said, some films aren't just films, they're emotions. People don't watch them, they relive them. Take Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge. It's been running at Mumbai's Maratha Mandir for 28 years. And when it got a nationwide re-release, fans poured in. Why? Because Raj and Simran aren't just characters. They are a part of our collective memory. Now let's talk numbers. Remember Gaddar, Ek Prem Katha? When its sequel, Gaddar 2, hit the theaters, the makers re-released the original. The result? Packed halls and a combined box office juggernaut. Or take Tumbad. This 2018 gem didn't get the recognition it deserved during the initial run. But when it was re-released in 2024, it crossed over 38 crores, breaking records as the highest grossing re-release in Indian cinema. Then there's Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, which returned to theaters for its 10th anniversary. It wasn't just about the nostalgia. It was about reliving that youthful energy, that wanderlust, and those unforgettable songs on the big screen. So why is this happening now? One reason is the state of the new releases. Let's be honest, some recent films have struggled to leave a mark. Audiences are tired of formulaic scripts and high-budget flops. Enter the re-release, a safe bet, a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Younger audiences are also a part of the equation. They have grown up hearing about these iconic films but never experienced them on the big screen. A re-release offers them a chance to witness the magic in its full glory, with Dolby sound and digitally restored prints. As filmmaker Anurag Kashyap put it, the theatre experience is irreplaceable. Watching a classic in a hall is like seeing it for the first time all over again. The big question is this a passing trend, or are re-releases here to stay? For now, it seems Bollywood has discovered a gold mine in its own archives. As long as audiences keep showing up for these blasts from the past, you can bet producers will keep spinning the reel. Because sometimes, the best way to move forward is to take a step back. So what about you? Will you buy a ticket to relive these classics? Or does your nostalgia stop at streaming? This is Leena Lal signing off. Keep watching Famous TV for more such stories that matter.